This is the Crazy Mouse at Hirakata Park. You know, it feels like every theme park has a mouse ride. Spinning cars, sharp turns, and that we're about to fly off this track feeling.
Here we go, the Crazy Mouse!
Mouse-style coasters first appeared in the 1950s, and they became popular because parks could squeeze tons of thrills into a tiny footprint. Small ride, big chaos. We'll be diving even deeper into the world of mouse coasters, why they're everywhere, how they work, and what makes them so addictive in an upcoming video. So stay tuned, the ride's just getting started. If you want to see more of the park, you can check out our full day vlog. We also have on-ride POVs of all of the other major attractions. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. We will see you in the next video.